What's up, y'all? Today we're looking at how to create this effect in Davinci Resolve.
Joe, is that you?
So I took a few images from Drake here, and I took about 15. No, actually here we have 16, and then I just lined them up, right? At first, they all start off like this. So I take them out, bring them in here. Let's say I take a few here. Whoop. So I take a few here, bring it in here. Now all the images are not lined up. Nothing is great about them. Regular images. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some guidelines here. So how do we do that? You go back here to your to this little button here. You're gonna go to your ruler guides. You're gonna click on ruler. You're gonna click on guide. So here I took them off. Here I'm bringing them back in. Now once you've selected that, the yellow line is not gonna appear. This is gonna disappear, right? So what you want to do, I'm gonna make them disappear here. I'm gonna start off here for this line here. I'm gonna bring it to 0. Automatically it snaps to 0. Then after that, I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna bring it to 200. So I'm gonna take this one here, bring it down to 200 or 203. One of the two. Okay, 200. Now I have this indication where here where they cross, I want to have the left eye, the right eye on there. So what I'm gonna do, take my image, play with the position. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, because if I just bring it down, you're gonna see this black empty area here. So what I wanna do is zoom in a little bit. I'll make the adjustment after, bring it down to the line, and then bring it back here on the x-axis, bring it back up. I'm gonna basically do that for every image. And if there's more black spot here, you wanna zoom in a little bit more and just make the fine adjustments. So all the images will be aligned. And at the end, once you've aligned all the images, it's gonna look like something like this. All the images are on the left, on the right eye, okay? Where they cross is on the right eye exactly. And then once that's done, you're gonna take this, you're gonna take everything, you're gonna create a compound clip. So you're gonna create a new compound clip, Drake, that's right here. To speed it up, I'm just gonna take my clip here, I'm gonna go to the end and drag it in. And I can make it as long as I wish, but usually around 1000% goes pretty quick. And then after that, it looks like this. A little too slow for me, so I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. Just make the adjustments according to what you want. And now it looks a little bit faster like this, and that's not bad, right? So now what we're gonna do, I wanna bring it in even a little bit more. So it's flit, yes, that's good. Now, to create this effect and to make it a little bit more repetitive, so I'm just gonna double this, and I'm gonna double this, okay? And the one in the middle, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go to my retime control, right click here at the bottom here, so if I zoom in a little bit, right here, and then I'm gonna reverse the segment. So it's gonna start off where the other one ended. So it's gonna create this loop effect. Boom, and re-going back to the beginning, and then back to where it started. But you see, I find it a little bit slow, so I'm gonna bring it even faster. So about 4000%. Bring this one here, 4000%. I'm gonna match it. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and right here. So now it should look a little bit better. Fast, quick, 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 quick. And that's pretty much it to create this effect in Davinci Resolve.